In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in your Google AdSense account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your AdSense dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to look at the left-hand menu. You're going to want to click on Reports. This section is where you'll find all the data about your performance and earnings. After you've clicked on Reports, look to the top right corner of the Reports workspace. You'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your reporting settings, where you can make various adjustments to how your data is displayed. Now that you're in the reporting settings, keep an eye out for the Currency Selector option. You'll find it inside the Settings panel. Click on that, and a list of currencies will appear. Here, you can choose your preferred currency from the available options. This is an important step, so take a moment to pick the currency that you want to see your data displayed in. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to confirm the change. This step refreshes your data to ensure everything updates correctly. After confirming, you'll notice that your dashboard graphs, tables, and totals will immediately reflect the change in currency. It's a simple but effective way to make sense of your earnings, especially if you're more comfortable viewing them in a specific currency. Now, I should mention an important point. While changing the currency visually alters how you see your performance metrics and reports, it does not affect your actual payment currency. That means your final earnings calculations and how you receive payments won't be impacted by this change. This is purely for display purposes, so you can analyze your stats in a way that feels more intuitive to you. In summary, to change the currency in your Google AdSense account, you simply log into your dashboard, go to the Reports section, click on the gear icon for reporting settings, select your preferred currency, and confirm the change. Your data will update almost instantly, making it easier for you to track your performance in the currency of your choice. And there you have it, a straightforward guide for changing the currency in your AdSense account without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on making the most out of your online tools. Also, like the video to let others know it's worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your AdSense performance.